Chetna. Today we are making pancakes. They're my favourite breakfast and they're also the easiest because I can remember all the ingredients and don't have to wake up Mum in the mornings. Firstly, we'll be adding 150 grams of self-raising flour, 250 grams of whole milk and 1 egg.
So what if someone can't find their weighing scale and they're starving in the morning?
Then it's easy. You can add 1 cup of self-raising flour, 1 cup of milk and 1 egg.
That is really easy to remember. Do you think you can do it?
Yes. Add half a teaspoon of vanilla extract, but this part's optional. But I prefer it in my pancakes because it makes them even more scrumptious.
Wow, okay. Let's get whisking then.
Nearly done.
Is it? You want plain,
Yes.
but I prefer mine with a bit of fruit.
I'm going to half the mixture and put blueberries in one half. Now we're going to cook it in a small frying pan. I'm going down to get it.
And do you cook it in butter or in oil?
It's optional, but
No, it's not optional. You have to make pancakes in butter.
I'll redo that.
It's fine. Right, let's go cook it.
When it starts to bubble, then you can flip it over to the other side and wait for a bit before checking whether it's cooked on both sides. And then you can eat it.
Time to dig in. What have you got on there?
Banana and Nutella.
And I have got some golden syrup because that goes really well with the blueberry pancakes. Is it? Never made that face when I make it. Why would you not have blueberries in your pancake?
Because Nutella and banana are better. Why don't you tell my mum which one you prefer by commenting down below?
Oh, really, is it now? So you tell us whether you prefer Nutella and banana or blueberries and golden syrup. And don't forget to come back next week and subscribe. I'll see you next week with a brand new recipe. Bye.